Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to be working on some Wing Chun kicking. We're going to drill on how to use a stop kick to work on defending against the front kick. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and hit the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thanks once again for your continued support, and have a great day.
Cross leg, defend your opponent's front kick using a stop kick. Make sure you step inside his guard, lop and punch, check and punch to finish. Defend the front kick, stop kick, lop and punch, check and punch to finish. Defend your opponent's round kick using a stomp kick. Parallel step outside. Stop kick the round kick, bone the lead arm, lop and punch to finish. Stop kick, bone saw the lead arm, lop and punch to finish. Defend your opponent's cross-leg round kick using a gum kirk. Press from on top, lop the lead hand, and finish. In this drill, you don't go bone on bone. You deliver your shin bone to the back side of his round kick, attacking the musculature. Again, lop and punch to finish. Gum kirk on top, lop and punch to finish. A variation, if your opponent's kicking to the outside, use the sole of your foot against his knee or shin. Again, counter with bone saw lop saw. Defend the round kick using the sole of the foot against his leg. Check and move to the outside. As your partner attempts a low round kick, take a half step back, exchange, counter kick his supporting leg, lop and punch to finish. Avoid the round kick, half step back, exchange, kick the supporting leg, lop and punch to finish. Counter your opponent's round kick by taking the half step and scoop back. Draw up the leg bone kirk to counter his spin kick. Exchange to avoid the low round kick. Draw up the knee bone kirk for spin kick, lop and punch to finish.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.